Guys, I'm here at the GIE and, well, it's the craziest chase scene I've ever seen. Don't let him get away! I'm coming! I'm gonna catch him! It's the world's slowest chase! Go! Hey guys, we're here at the Caterpillar indoor booth looking at the Cat UTV. That's a pretty affordable price point, $15,000. It says they have a 50 horsepower gas and a 25 horsepower diesel, but the 50 horsepower gas can go 45 miles per hour, which is pretty insane. Spencer, how you feeling?
Comfy.
Yeah.
I like it a lot better.
I like it. You can still open it up to get out, or you need to get out in a hurry. Just climb over.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Look at Ram trucks.
Still no soda. I want that thing so bad. I've never seen that thing before, and I want it.
What do you think of these landscaper body trucks?
I mean, I suppose they could be useful in certain situations, you can sort of put me up there, but maybe materials here.
Yeah.
It seems like an awfully small patch road mower.
Well, this body actually, it's made by Wilroad down in Tennessee. It's a very familiar company for landscape bodies. You can actually remove this dovetail on the back here, and it turns into, and you can remove the dovetail, and this actually could be a dump truck. So you could do.
Already got a dump cylinder under it?
Yeah. You just got to take the dovetail off. So you could do mowing and landscape out of this truck.
You could remove this. Oh wait, you can.
Yeah, that whole dovetail comes off. That's just to like hold your equipment in.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
But you don't really need that on there. You can tie that with like.
One thing I really like about the Ram. One thing I really like about
So guys, you got your like hand tool holders here. You can put like blowers in here, or like your chainsaws and hedge trimmers up top, your gas cans. That's a sprayer rack over there. You got some trimmer racks on it. And this is on a Ram 5500 with a Cummins crew cab. One thing, when I was buying my Chevy, I was actually looking at a Ram truck, and the Ram was actually very, very comfortable. I just had some doubts about the reliability of the Ram versus the Chevy, but I really like the ergonomics. It's a very comfortable looking cab. So definitely really cool here at Ram Trucks. I honestly, like, I am an Exmark guy. Like, I love Exmark. I've had the mowers for like ever since I've been in business.
What do you like better about ours?
The ECS, I love the ECS controls because I don't like pistol grips.
Nobody likes it.
And the one reason, I mean, it's tight on the hands, but we actually had one of our operators last year got too close to a deck and he was out here, and we had an old pistol grip. He was out here, and he scraped up his knuckles because he was too close. And so after that, we sold the mower like right away, and because like our guys, they want to get up as close as they can with the mower, so there's the less string trimming to do. It's faster. They save time on the yard. But I like the ECS because they're all in there. Your protective hands. But the fact that the parking brake is right here is super easy rather than having to go down here and do that number. And then I like that everything is right there in front of you. And
They like the recessed upward presence.
I love it. I love it. I'm so used to like these getting bent out of shape or getting in the way of something. And it'll take me a little bit to get used to going like that.
Wait, actually, you don't even have to do that. They're spring loaded.
Oh, okay.
Give it a little squeeze. You're pulling full reverse there, but if you just give it a little squeeze, they'll pop out.
That's even easier. That's awesome. No, I like the machine. It was very smooth, and you can see I was taking around a lot of hay bales because I really wanted to test how close I could get, and I didn't want to tear up any turf. But yeah, I think this with a two-wheel sulky would be like the ultimate, like little backyard machine. That's what I envisioned this for. Really smooth. Is there ever like a fuel gauge you can see how much fuel you have?
Unfortunately, not on this.
Okay.
With that being, I guess, I don't know if any of our other guys like to bring it up. They don't really have a tank that has a gauge of that style.
Yeah, belt drives are like the original Walkbehinds.
You got me, John?
Yeah, I got you, man. You're good.
You can throttle up for a little more speed.
Give her some throttle. Oh, he's good. There you go.
Similar?
Yeah, really similar. It felt really nimble. So I mean, take it up, get it, leave it back on.
So you guys using 61 inch?
No, we're using 52 and 36.
52 and 36. Yeah, so it's a big machine, right, within 61 inch.
Yeah.
On there. I don't know.
Here.
Is it recording already?
Yeah, sir. Oh, yeah, it does feel weird already.
You know what I mean? That's, you just press that button.
Really?
Yeah. Try it again.
to get the parking brake down, all the way up here, you gotta lean over and get it like that. That's really long. And also, it's low and you're too far forward. And, give me the vantage back. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, but give me the vantage back.
Yeah, okay, tell me what you don't like.
So you're down here, parking brake is all the way down here to try to get it off. Also, I feel like the control should be up a little higher. I mean, I'm pretty tall, but still, it feels like I'm constantly leaning over. I might fall off the machine. I don't know what's up with the push button.
Well, that's prototype. That got some machine shaking.
Okay.
Feedback we got was so-so. We're going to go with a key.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
What do you think about accessibility, serviceability?
Serviceability, I like it. It's very open. You can
Punch pressure on the top. This panel right here comes off with just 6 screws. This lifts up and gives you access to the rack. And this panel right here pops forward and 8 inches forward.
Yeah.
Okay? Your engine's tucked back into the power pump, so you got a lot more fluid over through access.
Show us some important things.
The ditch stick's right here. I'm not sure if that'll interfere.
It's right there.
Thanks, buddy. I'm not sure if that'll interfere up here. I like the positioning of this, however, I don't know.
No, I still love Exmark. I love Exmark.
I like the fan.
I don't see fans on the
I
pump.
really haven't had
That's really interesting. There's no fan.
yet.
Normally there's fans on the pumps.
Yeah.
But when they asked me, they said, what do you want to do? Well, I want lower deck and the engine deck to be
This is
separate.
kind of...
Go faster, 10 mile an hour. I want to carry more fuel. I want the engine deck to be separate. And they gave me all that. So
Yeah.
I'm happy.
I agree, having the engine and the mower deck separate is a big thing. I know a lot of people who didn't like that the engine was on the mower deck. I'm going to lift that up.
And they were so close coupled. That's one of the reasons why we brought the engine back. I bring the engine back.
So guys, so the positives are definitely that the engine is back over the drive tires, a lot more stability there, and when you're doing the deck lift, you're not lifting the engine and the deck every single time. I will say the operator comfort is significantly low for me. I can't imagine how it would actually be comfortable. But again, it's going to depend on how it cuts. It can carry 10 gallons of fuel, which is awesome. It can go faster, and the engine is not connected onto the deck, which is great. Serviceability, I mean, Spencer will show you. You lift up the shroud and everything is right here. Belt's very easy to access.
Yeah, but the thing is, you gotta worry about the muffler, because what if you're on a job, you break a belt, and you have to go change it, but you touch the muffler, burn your hand.
That is true. The muffler is right there, and that gets very hot.
Like, even this is hot right now. It's
Yeah.
steaming.
Did you get a chance to take it for a ride?
I took the small one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, pluses and negatives out here with demoing the new John Deere Exmark Standard, excuse me. Not really sure about it right now. It's honestly going to depend on how it cuts. But we'll see. I mean, Jonathan's taking it out right now. They've made significant improvements that we've asked them to, like putting the engine and the deck separately, so I do like that. The serviceability is a significant thing too. So pluses and minuses, but I'm still thinking that Skag and Wright have a really good setup on their standard.